The Slendor 3-in-1 oversized folding camping cot is a versatile and comfortable solution for outdoor and indoor relaxation. With its generous 29-inch width and robust construction, it provides ample space and support for adults up to 440 pounds. The durable fabric and sturdy frame ensure long-lasting reliability, making it perfect for camping trips, poolside lounging, or even as an extra bed at home. One of the key features of this cot is its adjustable design, offering 6+10 positions to suit your needs. Whether you want to sit up and read, recline and soak up the sun, or lie flat for a restful sleep, this cot can easily be adjusted to your preferred angle. The straightforward adjustment mechanism allows you to switch positions effortlessly. Whether you're heading to the beach, going camping, or need an extra bed for guests, this cot provides a practical and comfortable solution. To purchase the Slendor 3-in-1 oversized folding camping cot, check out the link in the description below.